Here we have the Coreflex portable pour-over filter. Comes in a carrying case. It snaps together to hold the three pieces. When you're ready, separate the three pieces. Set one aside. Find the top edge, the ones without the flanges. Put two flanges together and press to snap. Take your third piece, line the two sides with flanges up. Snap, put together. Put the top of the case on top of your cup. Find the top of your filter. Align it with the three slots in the top. Add your coffee. Add your water.